Okay, in this video, we are going to learn how we can start our Python project using the PyCharm IDE. So I search for PyCharm IDE. So hope that you have installed the PyCharm IDE. Please check our installation video for this. So this is our window. So when you are opening it for the first time, go to File and you can select New Project. So here you can give a location for your project. I will choose my default location, and here we are creating a virtual environment, which means we are going to separate all our packages and libraries into a separate environment so that it won't clash up with the default Python uh, library. So after doing all this, next is you click create. So once you click create, you can select this window so that all the virtual environment components will appear on the screen. So once I click this window, it will load up the virtual environment. So if you load up the virtual environment correctly, if you go to this terminal tab, you will see that here it says VENV, which means that we are inside the virtual environment. So in here we have the main project folder, which you can browse by right clicking, going open in Explorer. So after you open this in Explorer, you will see the default Python projects that you have. So here we have the Python project 2. So when you go inside that, you will have the main file as well as the virtual environment and libraries and inside packages. The pip packages that we install will appear here. So that's a brief discussion about how the folder structure is available within the PyCharm IDE. So here you have this main file. So if you basically run, okay, to run this, you can click on this run main or this play button, and you will see the result here. So this is how we run a Python code. So this code will appear once you have loaded up the virtual environment. So you can clear this. So you can select or clear this, and you can type on for an example. Let's type the hello world example. So here I will write print, and within parentheses you can pass, and we have to pass the text inside of inverted comma, so it can be double quotes or single quotes. Here I will say hello world. So this is my first program. So after writing this, you can click on this run button. So once you click on this run button, hello world will appear here. So single quotes and double quotes are both equal. So you can also try this example using single quotes. So I will type the same thing, hello world, and after finishing, you can run this. To run this, you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus function 10. So if I press Shift and function 10, the same results appear. So that's how the folder structure, and that's how you start coding in the PyCharm IDE. Thank you very much for joining with the Python scripted YouTube channel.